A n be a increasing sequence of positive real numbers such that the series summation ak is divergent. Then sequence of partial sum uh, used for sequence as given to us an. Sn defined as summation equal to summation running from k equal to 1 to n ak for n equal to 1 to up to infinity, and Tn is also a sequence of partial sum which is given as summation k equal to 2 to n ak upon sk minus 1 minus sk for n equal to 2 to infinity. Then limit Tn is equal to. Four options are given to us and we have to find the exact limiting value of Tn, as Tn is sequence of partial sum. So to solve this problem, first what is given to us, I can write given an is a sequence of positive terms, and summation ak means series from or by. AK is divergent. That means limit of ak k tends to infinity not equal to 0. If limit of ak k tends to infinity equal to 0, then it might be convergent, but surety not. But surety not. Surety. Let Sn as a sequence of partial sum defined as ak and k running from 1 to n equal to 1 to infinity, and another sequence of partial sum Tn is defined as summation k equal to 2. Here is k equal to 1 and here 2, and ak divided by sk minus 1 sk. These are partial sum generated by Sn, and hence by An, because of Sn is generated by An. Now what is asked? Limit of Tn tends to infinity, it is asked from us. So look, Tn is defined as summation ak divided by sk minus 1 sk. If I replace this Sn as a sum of terms of sequence, as Sn equal to a1 plus a2 plus up to an, and second last term will be an minus 1, and this sum can be represented by Sn minus 1 plus an. This is Sn. So Sn minus 1 equal to an. If I use n, then all these terms in containing n. If I use k, then all terms will be using by k. or denoted by k. It is only just notation, so do not confuse with this what is k or n. It is just a way of expressing partial sum. So Tn equal to summation ak divided by a1 up to a k minus 1, because of this summation is over k, and summation sum of a1 up to ak, because of this is for sk minus 1, and this is also this is for sk. As these brackets containing more terms, so it will be tedious and complicated. It will be tedious and complicated to resolve in partial fraction. So instead of using a sum of a1, I just replace this and remain sk minus 1 and sk. So my next target will be Tn equal to summation sk minus sk minus 1 divided by sk minus 1 sk. This is product and this is difference. As you can see, I use this one. I change the color of pen so you can hear. I use an in terms of sn. Now it is basically from 2 to n. So it will be resolve in fraction or difference of fraction. So it will be summation k running from 2 to n sk divided by sk minus 1 sk minus sk minus 1 divided by sk minus 1 sk. So sk by sk cancel out and sk minus 1 sk minus 1. So it will be remain only k running from 2 to n, and in within bracket 1 upon sk minus 1 minus 1 upon sk. Now it is compact form or expressing way of series. Now look this series in expanded form. Look in expanded form. It will be 1 upon sk minus 1 sk minus 1. If I use k equal to 2, then 1 upon 1 or s1 minus 1 upon s2 plus 1 upon s2 minus 1 upon s3 plus and so on up to n terms. So all these negative and positive terms will be cancelled out, and last term or bracket will be 1 upon sk minus 1 minus of 1 upon sk. This term also will be cancelled out from all previous terms. So left term will be 1 upon s1 minus 1 upon sk. Now this is Tn. We have to find limit of Tn. limit of Tn will be limit 1 upon S1 minus limit 1 upon Sk, and S1 is nothing but 1 upon A1. Limit, uh, as A1 is the positive real number, because of real sequences it is given, so 1 upon A1 is justified after taking limit. So I'll cancel out limit minus 1 upon limit n tends to infinity or k tends to infinity 1 upon Sk will be infinity, 1 upon infinity, because of this is the sequence of positive terms and increasing sequence and positive terms. So Sn will be positive and goes to infinity, and will goes to infinity. So 1 upon infinity it will be 0. So final answer is 1 upon A1. Now we look options. 1 upon A1, or A1 is just first term. So this is A1. I use only just A. So option A, 1 upon A1. I can replace this. So option A is true here.